Hi, this is Colin from watchoffthecuff.com. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the crown and stem assembly from this Timex Indiglo watch. It has a second hand that's loose that I'm going to repair, and as a result I'm going to have to remove the crown and stem assembly to get inside it. So just for reference, the movement here is an M649.3V.01 in a Timex Indiglo watch. Okay, so this is not very intuitive. There is a small designation here. It says push with a small arrow with a hole. Now it may glint in the light a little bit. I don't know. There's a small piece of metal here that's up here in this corner that's actually part of this bracket assembly. This is not the lever. So if you press on that, nothing's going to happen. Instead, we're going to go under that little bit and move this way, kind of in the direction of this arrow. So I'm just going to change my position. Hopefully keep my hands out of the way a little bit so everybody can see. I'm going to use my loop and I'm going to go under that assembly in this direction. I'm going to switch hands. Go under that assembly, press. Give another go. End up having to kind of do it blind. Give another go. As you can see, not for the faint of heart. I'm going to try to find the tab. Push. And there it came out while my hand was covering it. Anyway, that is how you remove it. To replace it back, it simply goes straight into the movement, give it a little wiggle, and it will go back in there. I'm not going to do that because my next operation here for me personally is to replace the second hand. Thank you.